Big moves happening with Xpeng Incorporated stock after a surprising analyst upgrade. Curious about where the price might be headed? Stick around, and I'll dive deep into the details. Alright, let's take a closer look at the news. Xpeng Inc., a prominent name in the Chinese electric vehicle (EV) market, is seeing its stock on the rise. This comes after a rather disappointing earnings report where they reported a net loss of a whopping 2.8 billion yuan, which translates to about $390 million. This is their largest quarterly loss so far. Even with this setback, their revenue met market expectations, though it did show a 31% decline year-on-year. Now, what led to this negative performance? A few factors played into this. There were inventory write-downs, which means they had to reduce the value of their inventory because it was either overvalued or becoming obsolete. They also ramped up their sales promotions, and to add to the challenges, Chinese EV subsidies expired. These subsidies were government incentives to boost the purchase of electric vehicles in China. But here's where things take a turn. Bank of America, a major player in the financial world, has upgraded Xpeng's stock from neutral to buy. And they didn't stop there. They've set a price target that's 21% higher than the current levels, pegging it at $22. This upgrade is primarily because of a brighter outlook they see for the company. In the pre-market trade in New York, Xpeng's stock has already shot up by 5.9%, which is an increase of 89 cents, bringing the stock price to $15.87 per share. Despite these challenges, Xpeng is not a name to be taken lightly in the EV market. They're right up there, competing with giants like Tesla, especially in China. They've got a range of smart electric vehicles in their arsenal, including the P7 sedan and the G3 SUV. One of their standout features is their advanced autonomous driving technology. They've developed the Navigation-Guided Pilot (NGP) system, which has been turning heads in the industry. In conclusion, Xpeng stock is showing strong signs of recovery, especially after the analyst upgrade from Bank of America. This positive outlook has rekindled confidence among investors, pushing the stock price upwards. With their continuous innovation and expanding product range, Xpeng is cementing its position in the global EV market. Moving on to the upcoming trading session's surge signals for the stock. We've got some interesting numbers to look at. On the upward trend, the surge signals are at $17.14, $17.76, and $18.52. On the downside, we're looking at $15.76, $15, and $14.38. Now, what do these numbers mean? These are the price points that could confirm a directional move for the stock. If the stock approaches or breaches these levels, it could indicate a potential bullish or bearish trend. For instance, if the stock price moves past $17.14 and heads towards $17.76, it could be a sign of a strong upward momentum. Conversely, if it drops below $15.76, we might see a bearish trend setting in. It's crucial for traders and investors to keep an eye on these levels to make informed decisions. Alright, folks, that wraps up today's deep dive into Xpeng Incorporated. If you found this analysis helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel for more insights like this. Once you've subscribed, drop a comment below saying subscribed, and I'll do my best to respond. Before you go, I've got a question for you. What do you think is the next big move for Xpeng? Share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, stay informed and invest wisely.